If your AirPods Pro, third generation, are not working with Microsoft Teams, the issue is usually related to Bluetooth permissions, audio device selection, or outdated drivers. Since Teams sometimes switches audio devices automatically, your AirPods may connect to the computer but not be selected as the active microphone or speaker. Try these. 1. Reconnect your AirPods. Put the AirPods back in the case, close it for 10 seconds, then reconnect them through your computer's Bluetooth settings. 2. Select AirPods in Teams audio settings. Open Teams, then Settings, then Devices, then choose your AirPods for both speaker and microphone. 3. Set AirPods as the default audio device. On Windows or Mac sound settings, set the AirPods as the default input and output device before launching Teams. 4. Reset your AirPods if needed. Place them in the case, open the lid, and hold the setup button on the back until the light flashes amber, then white. 5. Update Teams and Bluetooth drivers. Make sure Microsoft Teams and your computer's Bluetooth drivers are fully updated.